Welcome to Poshier. I'm Matthew. In today's video, I will show you how to set up a complete system for your restaurant. So let's get started. If you haven't downloaded Poshier yet, let's go to the App Store and search for Poshier. Open Poshier and then go through the simple registration process. Make sure the email address you've entered is correct because you will need it to sign into your account on another iPad later in this video. Here you can choose the POS type from retail, food stand, fast food and a full-service restaurant. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to choose the full-service restaurant. Tap Confirm to continue. Tap Open. That's it. The default setup allows you to do everything on the same iPad, such as taking dine-in orders and a kitchen display for the chef to organize the kitchen. But this is not what we want. The correct way to do this is to decompose tasks and assign them to multiple iPads. First, let's go to Settings. You will need to subscribe to enable 3 extra iPads. Please subscribe to us. Here you can enter additional info about your company. In this panel, you can enter your shop info such as name, service charge as well as tax of the state. Here you can set up the POS printer. Currently we supports the Star Micronics M Pop printer. For more information, check out the video about the printer setup. Scroll down to the POS panel, and then scroll down to the bottom. Here you can hide the unwanted features on this iPad. If you are planning to use this iPad to take the dine-in orders, I would recommend you to hide the kitchen, the food menu, and the report and help. Restart Poshier. After that, this iPad will only serve dine-in and takeaway orders. Next, download Poshier on another iPad. Tap Sign In, enter the email address that you used earlier in the registration, and then tap the Sign In button. After that, you will receive a sign-in email from us. Next, on the same iPad, go to your email client and check for the email. If you don't see it in your inbox, check the spam and the junk mailbox. Click this link and it will redirect you back to Poshier. Now, log back into your account. Enter the password you've entered previously. I'm going to use this iPad in the kitchen, so let's go to Settings and scroll to the POS panel. Now, hide everything except the kitchen. Restart Poshier. There you go. Okay, now both the iPads will now work together. If you take an order from the POS, the chef in the kitchen will see the order. Let's do a quick demo. Let's take an order from the POS. On the kitchen display, the dish you just entered will be shown. A ticket will also be printed if you have the printer connected. The chef can interact with the display by tapping the cell once, and it will turn into blue. On the POS side, tap the table. You will see that the dish says it is now in the cooking state. On the kitchen display, tap on the Complete button to indicate that dish is completed. On the POS side, this figure says that one of the dish has been completed. If you go into the detail, it says cooked as well. You may also set up more POS and kitchen displays, up to 4 devices depending on your restaurant configuration. For example, you can set up another kitchen display for the bar section and another POS on different floor. That's it. This concludes our video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in another video.